I'm totally bored. I'm totally bored. I'm totally ignoring you right now, you know, right? You're still gonna keep doing it nonstop. You don't do it louder and closer to get my attention. Look at Ruga. He's just sitting right there. I don't want to get involved. I'm just gonna turn my head on, you know. I don't know what's going on. Go play with your toys. They're all over the floor. Go play with something out there. What about you? No, I don't want to get involved. It's between you and him. Go sit down then. Go sit down. Don't bark. You're not a barking dog. You're a husky. You're supposed to howl. I didn't tell you to howl. I'm gonna take a nap. You two wake me up when you're done. Get out of here. Let me know when it's all over with. I want nothing to do with this, okay? Tired too. It's been a long day already. Why don't you go get me some food? I see you keep looking out of the corner of your eye. No, you can't see my eyes now. Now they're gone. I knew you wouldn't quit. Go sit down.